Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mansiaseeja and I'm here to share with you two important LinkedIn marketing hacks. So these hacks are very important and interesting and these are very useful. These are from a digital marketing professional course. So it's very useful for me, so I thought to share it with you. Let me just brief you about both of them first.
So let's start with the first one. How you can download the information about your connection, maybe to have them on your email list, or you may want to send targeted message directly to them. So these are the email IDs of your own connections. And the second one is how you can get in backend of LinkedIn by using a browser extension called scrap.io and collect email list or leads. This list is of people you know not in your connection, so this will help you create a database or leads if you are searching for a job, or you are from sales team, or your target audience may be CEOs, HR. This or you can collect the very authentic data by downloading this to the extension, and you will get 150 emails for free. Collect the data and the email IDs of your contacts. You just simply go to me and then settings and privacy, and after this data privacy and get a copy of your data. So here in request for new archive, so request archive, right? You need to click this and you will get the Excel in your email ID. They will send directly to you and you can download that from your email ID, and I have a copy of that to explain you that as well. So here you go. So this is the Excel sheet that they send me over the email. It contains the email IDs of your connections, and you can send directly target mails to them. So let's move to the second hack, in which you will be able to generate email IDs of people not in your connections. So let's get started. So for this, to type scrap.io, Chrome extension one, and then let's download this. Install Chrome extension for LinkedIn integration you want. We need to install email finder extension, right? Add to your Chrome, add extension. So now go to the dashboard. So like I already have some of the list here, so I'm using that. So you can create new list from here, like you want the email IDs of CEOs, create. Okay, now we will move to the LinkedIn profile and see how it works. Now you can search on the search bar that you want HR email IDs or CEO email IDs. So I am doing it for CEOs. So good people. So this is the list of CEO. Now I'll apply all filters. I'll want the second connections. I'll go to UK. You can apply your country and then move to, like, I'm okay with this, like English. And if you want the CEO list for particular company, you can tick here. So show results. So these are the CEOs. Now we can collect the email IDs of this, and how it works. Like you go to scrap here, started working. Like here you want to collect the email IDs into CEO list, save, launch finder. So on this page we have 6 email IDs. So you can repeat this process for second page as well. This is only for first page. So if you come back to the screen, you see that the 6 email IDs and entries are added to your created list. So you can check all these email IDs from here and you can directly connect with them.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video and the hacks I shared with you added value to your learning. If so, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like my video. And if you have any query, feel free to write in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.